Today we will start unit number 2. This unit is related to developing algorithms. Means if there is a power system network, we will add one by one branches and elements, and finally we will get the final Z-bus matrix. Z-bus matrix. So now let us consider one problem. For a sample three-phase bus system shown below, form the bus impedance matrix. Means form the Z-bus matrix using algorithms considering self impedances given in per unit. These values are given in per unit, and ground as reference. And ground as reference means where the ground is connected. The ground is connected to source. This is the generator source, so it is grounded. So this terminal is taken as ground and it is the reference. So these are the values given in the per unit. How many buses are there? 3 buses.
3 buses.
Bus number 1, bus
Two.
number 2,
3.
bus number 3. And the ground is also taken as one of the nodes.
Node.
These buses are nothing but the nodes. What is node? Where the two elements are connected. If node is that part where, or it is a bus to which the different elements are connected. So first of all we have to identify how many elements. It can be identified easily wherever their values are given or something is connected, that is considered as element. So this is one element, this is another element, these are. So the total number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now accordingly we will draw the tree. So we are considering generator as reference bus. So we have taken it as 0 bus, means reference bus. Now can you see here that 0 is connected to 1? So I have drawn here 0 is connected to 1 bus number. This bus number 1 is considering as node 1. Now node 1 is connected to node 1 and bus 1 is connected to node 2. Node 2. Then 2 is connected to 3.
Node 3.
2 is connected to 3.
3.
So I have also numbered here. So I have considered this element between this 0 and 1 as element number 1. So this is element number 1. What is the value of this element?
0.13.
Then between the bus 1 and 2 there is another element. So 0 and 1 I have taken this as element number 2. And what is the value?
0.23.
Then I have connected the next element between node
2 and 3.
So 2 and 3. I have labeled it as element number 3.
3.
I have considered it as element number 3. And what is the value?
0.24.
Now this is remaining. So this is between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So in this we have to take care that there should not be any closed loop. That's why I have considered this as element number 4. This element number 4 as a link. As a link. Because there should not be any closed loops. There should not be all the branches. So it is necessary to take care that there should not be any closed loop. That's why I have taken this element between 1 and 3 as link. So how many elements are there?
4 elements.
Element number 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many nodes?
4.
4. 0,
1, 2, 3.
Node 0 is considered as
Reference.
which is the ground. Okay. And which element is grounded? Generator. So I have considered this as reference. Okay. Now in this type of problem we have to add the elements one by one. We have to add the elements one by one. So step number 1. What is step number 1? Addition of elements between node 0 and 1. I did addition of element between the node 0 and 1, which is nothing but element number 1. So now I have considered here P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. So I have formulas. We know that ZPI equal to ZQ1 and ZQ2 equal to ZPQ plus ZPQ dash PQ. So this value is the self impedance which I will take from this figure. Always I will take this value from this figure. Okay, this tree. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So now, first of all, I am taking I equal to
0.
So add the value of I equal to 0, and we also know that P equal to 0,
0.
and Q equal to 1.
1.
So we will use these values in these formulas. So first of all, what is the value of P?
0.
What is the value of I?
0.
So Z00 equal to Z. What is the value of Q?
1.
What is the value of I?
0.
And what will be the value of impedance at this node? 0. Because it is the initial point. So that is equal to 0. So Z10 is equal to, we can write Z0. Same way. Whatever will be the value of Z10 will be the value of 0. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now using this second formula. Now using this
Second formula.
What is the formula? ZQQ equal to ZPQ plus ZPQ dash PQ. So put the values. What is the value of Q? Q equal to 1. So Z Q. What is the value of Q? 1 equal to Z. Z. What is the value of P? 0. What is the value of Q? 1 plus Z 0 1 dash 0. This value we have to take from this figure. So what is this value? 0.13. What is the value of 0 1? 0. So add this value. We will get Z11 equal to 0.13. Now we will form the Z bus matrix. So what are the values? Which nodes we have considered? 0 and 1. So 0 1 0 1. Now what? Add all the values. What is the value of Z00?
0.
0 0. Z01
0.
0. Z10
0.
Z11
0.13.
Is it clear?
Yes.
In this way, our first step is completed. What is the first step? Addition of elements between node 0 and 1. It is a branch with no mutual coupling. P equal to 0, Q equal to 1. Okay?
Yes.
Now, eliminating the reference bus. So how this element can be eliminated? We just remove this 0 row and 0 column. So now what is remaining? Only 1. Is it clear? Now what is the second step? Addition of element between nodes 1 and 2. And it is a branch with no mutual coupling. Is it clear?
Yes.
We will use the same formulas. The formulas will remain the same. Z
PI
equal to
ZQI
and second formula
ZQQ equal to ZPQ plus ZPQ minus PQ.
Is this clear? Now, initially we have taken I equal to 0.
0.
Now we will take I equal to 1. And using these formulas we will calculate the different values. So now you first of all use this purpose. What is the value of P? 1. What is the value of P? 1. What is the value of I?
1.
Equal to
Z.
Q. What is the value of Q?
2. I
I equal to 1. So what is the value of Z11? We already have calculated 0.13. Then that is equal to, we can write Z21 is equal to Z12.
Z12.
This value will remain same. Now using the second formula, Z, what is the value of Q?
2.
What is the value of Q? 2. So Z 2 equal to Z. What is the value of P?
1.
What is the value of Q?
2.
2 plus Z.
2.
What is the value of P?
1.
What is the value of Q?
2.
Dash P. Is it clear? Yes. Now we know the value of Z12. 0.13. This value we will take from the figure. Self always. Always remember that this value we will take from the figure. Between the nodes 1 and 2. Between the nodes 1 and 2. P equal to 1 and Q equal to 2. What is the value?
0.23.
Now add these values. You will get
0.36.
Answer will be 0.36. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we will form the new Z bus, new Z bus from this original Z bus. So we have now with us 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Original matrix is 1, 2, 1, 1. Now we have expanded this matrix by adding one element. We have added a new element between the nodes 1 and 2. So our matrix will now become 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of Z11?
0.13.
What is the value of Z12?
0.13.
Z12 0.13. What is the value of Z21?
0.13.
What is the value of Z22?
0.36.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now step number 3. In this type of problem we add all the elements one by one. Since till now we have elements. How much elements? 2 elements. Element between node 0 and 1. Element between node 1 and 2. Now the next element is added between the node 2 and 3. And it is a branch with no mutual coupling. And this is the value of this self-impedance. Okay. So addition of element between nodes 2 and 3. So P equal to 2, Q equal to 3. It is a branch with no mutual coupling. We use the same formula. The formula remains the same. Z Pi equal to Z Qi. Z Q equal to Z PQ plus Z PQ dash PQ. What is PQ? Element between the nodes P and Q. And we are calculating the impedance of that values. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So now we will take I equal to 1 and 2. 1 we have already taken. Now increase it by 1 number. So now the values of I will be 1 and 2. First of all we will calculate for I equal to 1. First of all we will calculate I equal to 1. So use this same formula. Z. What is the value of P? 2. What is the value of P? 2. What is the value of I? 1. Equal to Z. What is the value of Q? 3. What is the value of I? 1. So this is, but we know the value of Z21. Z21. What is the value? 0.13. Now we can also write that Z31 is equal to Z13. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we will use
I
equal to 2 in the same formula. So Z. What is the value of P?
2.
2. What is the value of P?
2.
And I?
2.
So Z22 equal to
Z.
What is the value of Q?
3.
What is the value of I?
2.
So Z22. But we know the value of Z22. 0.36. equal to, we can write Z32 as
Z23.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we will calculate Z3. What is the value of Q?
3.
So Z
3.
equal to Z.
Z23.
What is the value of P?
2.
What is the value of Q?
3.
Plus Z.
Z 23.
23 dash
23.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So what is the value of Z23?
0.36.
Z23
Go ahead.
0.36 plus. From where you will take this value?
Yes.
Figure.
From the figure. This value you will have to take from the figure.
Figure.
So Z23. What is the value?
0.24.
0.2. So the addition will be
0.6.
Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Now we will form the new Z bus. So the original value should not be destroyed. This value will remain same. So write them as it is. So 0.13, 0.13,
0.13. 0.36.
Now add the new node.
2.
3. So what is the value of 13?
0.13.
13. 0.13. What is the value of Z23?
0.36.
0.36. What is the value of Z33?
0.6.
What is the value of Z31?
0.13.
32.
0.16.
0.36. Is it clear? Till now? Is it okay? Now, what is our next step? What is our next step?
Step 4.
What is the next step?
Addition of element
Addition of element
between nodes 1 and 3.
Addition of element between node
1 and 3.
1 and 3.
3.
1 and 3.
Three.
It is a
Link.
It is a link with no mutual
coupling.
So now write this matrix as it is and add the new element link. So we can write here Z1
L.
Z2L Z3L
ZLL.
And here we can write ZL1 ZL2
ZL3.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now we have to find out these values. For this, the formula used are
ZLI equal to ZPI minus ZQI.
where I equal to
1, 2, 3.
Now I equal to 1.
1. Z.
So put the value of I equal to 1. Z L1 equal to Z. What is the value of P? 1. So Z11 minus Z. What is the value of Q? 3. What is the value of I? 1. Is it clear? Do you know the values of Z11? What is the value? 0.13. 0.13 minus. What is the value of Z31? Z31 0.13. So 0.13 minus 0.13 will become 0. This is equivalent to Z. L1 can be written as Z1. Okay. Likewise, we will now put the value of I equal to 2 in the same formula. So put the values Z L. What is the value of I? 2 equal to Z. What is the value of P? 1. What is the value of I? 2. Minus, what is the value of Q? 3. What is the value of I? 2. Is it clear? What is the value of I? 2. So now put the values. What is the value of Z12? Z12 0.13 minus, what is the value of Z32? 0.36 the calculation, you will get minus 0.2. That is nothing but Z 2L. Is it clear? L2 can be written as
2L.
Now put the value of I equal to 3. So I equal to 3, put the value of I equal to 3 in the same formula. So ZL3 equal to Z. What is the value of P? 1. I3 minus Z. What is the value of Q? 3. What is the value of I? 3. Now put the values. Z13. Z13 0.13 minus Z33 0.6. Do the calculation. You will get minus 0.47 equal to Z3L. Is it clear? Now to calculate this ZLL, the formula is ZLL equal to ZPL minus
Z2L plus ZPQ dash PQ. Yes.
ZLL equal to Z. What is the value of P? 1. L minus what is the value of Q? 3. 3L plus Z.
What is the value of P1?
What is the value of P? 1. What is the value of Q? 3.
Dash. 1, 3.
This value we have to take from
Figure.
figure. And what is the value?
0.48.
What is the value? 0.4.
4.
Is it clear, students?
Yes.
So 0.4. Now calculate this. So this minus minus becomes plus, and after calculation you will get 0.9. Is it clear?
Yes.
In this way, we have added all the elements. You can see that we have evaluated all the values by adding one by one elements. What was our first step?
Addition.
We have added element number 1 between the nodes 0 and 1.
0 and 1.
Which is a branch.
With no
So we have taken P equal to 0 and Q equal to 1. Finished and evaluated all the values. Firstly, we obtained this Z bus matrix. Then we have neglected the reference bus. So this 0 0 node is eliminated. So the remaining is only Z13. Is it clear? Then we have added element number
1 and
2. Element number 2 between the nodes
1
1 and 2. So we have taken P equal to 1 and Q equal to 2. We have used the same formulas and found the next Z bus. So the new element is, we have already with us this Z11. So the next is 2. In this way, the another element is added. The next element we have added is also a branch between the node 2 and 3. Is it clear? Between the node 2 and 3. Then at last, after evaluating all these values, we have added a link between the nodes 1 and 3. So P equal to 1 and Q equal to 3. So we have written this matrix as it is. We have added link. So we can see here that this value will be Z1L, Z2L, Z3L, ZLL. This will be ZL1, ZL2, ZL3. And then after all this calculation, now the calculations are over, but the problem is not over. Some part is remaining that we will see soon, just after few minutes. Okay. See here that we have added the lth row and lth column. Now our next step is eliminating the lth row and lth column. For that we have simple formula. When we eliminate this lth row and lth column, we will get the new matrix. These all elements are recalculated by using these formulas, simple formulas, same formulas. So we can see here that the first new value is calculated as Z11 dash, and that is equal to Z11 old. Old value we have taken from that matrix minus Z1L into ZL1 upon ZL. So 0. This value Z11, what is the value of Z11 from the old matrix? 0.13 minus 0 to 0 upon 0.95. We have taken all the values from the old matrix. Okay, we have taken all the values from the old matrix. Is it clear? So finally we will get 0.13 only. Okay, because this is going to be 0. Then we have calculated Z12 dash, new values, Z12 dash. So this is 1, this is 2. So we are calculating now this value. We have calculated this new value. Now we are calculating this new value. So the formula remains the same. So now Z12 dash equal to Z12 old minus Z1L into ZL2 upon ZL. These values we can take from the old matrix. So what is the value of Z12? 0.13 minus 0 to 2, this value. In this way we have calculated all these new terms. And finally we have calculated all the new things, new terms of old matrix. While doing so, the nth row and nth column is eliminated. Is it clear? So these are the, or in this way we have also calculated Z13 dash, same formula. You can see here. Then Z23 dash. Is it clear? Same formula. You have to just use the logic. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then we have calculated Z23 dash, and we know that Z23 dash is equal to Z32 dash, which at a time we are getting two values. If we have calculated Z12 dash, then we can directly consider Z12 dash as 2 dash. If we have calculated Z23 dash, then that can be considered as 32 dash. And finally add all these values. So this is the final answer.